What is up, guys? Today we have the Dolphin Quantum robotic pool cleaner here, and this thing is awesome. Now, I gotta say, this is pretty much going to be the newest flagship cleaner for Dolphin here. This is the Quantum here. It's the second generation, the newest model of the Quantum, and it performs exceptionally well. Now, if we're speaking in terms of flagship cleaners, I want to talk about this one right here. This one right here is the Dolphin Premier cleaner here. I have actually used this cleaner for years now. It has been the flagship cleaner for years, and it has worked amazingly well. You can see it's been through some wear and tear, and to this day it still works amazingly. It does absolutely everything I need for it to do in a pool to keep my pool crystal clear. So how does this Dolphin Quantum here, how does this actually compare to that Dolphin Premier there? Well, I gotta say, I am actually quite impressed. What they've done here is they've taken all the features of the Premier with a few exceptions and put it in a smaller, more cooler looking design and frame here. So let's go ahead and talk about this Dolphin Quantum here and what makes it so great. First off, take a look at this thing physically here. I love the way that it looks here. It's just got a really slim and sleek design to it here. You can see it's got this really nice handle that you can hold right here to basically grip it in and out of the pool. Now, as a flagship cleaner, I actually love this because in terms of user friendliness, this is so much easier to lift in and out of the pool as compared to this Premier right here with this stabilizing bar. It is quite hefty, hard to lift in and out of the pool. Now, in terms of weight here, this weighs in at about 28 pounds, which is actually really good for a premium high-end cleaner. The Premier over here actually weighs about 36 pounds, and this Quantum weighing in at about 28 pounds means it actually is a lot less, and it has the same features. That's actually really great. So the Quantum here is actually designed to work in pools up to 50 feet. You actually get 50 feet worth of cord here, which is really nice. It's got the anti-tangle cord here, and it swivels 360 degrees, so you never actually have to worry about it tangling in your pool. What's also great about this is that since it is the newest Dolphin cleaner here, it is the most energy efficient. It'll put in as much power as the flagship Premier does, but at less power consumption, which is really nice. You'll save a little bit of money on your electricity bill there. So if you take a look right here, you've got these hyper grip tracks on the side of the Quantum here. This basically helps it grip to all surfaces of your pool. That's great. Let's take a look at the bottom of this here, and you can see it's got front and rear scrubbers here. So you've got double the amount of scrubbing power, more than enough power to knock away all sorts of debris, including algae and that sticky white film that you don't know what it is. It'll actually knock it all loose to be suctioned up into the actual inlet in the debris canister here. Now, one of the really cool features that I love about this Quantum here is the fact that it has an easy access top loading filter here. Easy access debris canister here. All you have to do is pull this lever right here and it opens up. The debris canister pops out and you pull this out here, and take a look at this here. This is Dolphin's Max Bin debris canister. It is the biggest debris canister that you can actually get in this series here. It's actually really awesome. It means you'll have to empty this less often. Now, another thing I want to mention about this is a fine filter. You can see that this is a fine filter here, but Dolphin in this set, in the Quantum, you actually get a set of ultra fine filters, and I can't express how much I love that. Now, not every pool owner needs a set of ultra fine filters. 90% of people will do just fine with this set of fine filters here, with this right here. But if you want a cleaner pool, if you get a lot of green stuff, that algae in your pool, if you get a lot of that clear film in your pool that you can't see, basically you have to be really up close to notice that there's anything there, then yes, you will need ultra fine filters. It's actually really nice that the Quantum includes ultra fine filters here. And again, look at how easy it is to put it right back inside and close the lid here. Definitely a really easy way to take your debris canister in and out. Some cleaners like this Dolphin Premier here actually have to be accessed from the bottom here, and it gets very annoying sometimes. I love this cleaner, but the way you access this debris canister, the cartridges on the Premier, is actually very annoying. So in terms of cleaning power, this Quantum here has dual motors, so it's actually really powerful. It cleans the floors of your pool, it cleans the walls of your pool, it'll actually climb steps in your pool, and yes, it will clean the waterline of your pool. This is actually a beast of a waterline cleaning machine here, and I want you to take a look at this. Physically, this is actually equipped with jets that actually help it clean the waterline here. If you take a look right over here, right here on the side here and one over here on this side right here. You can see these are actually jets built into the Quantum here, and it uses what they call Powerstream technology, and it's basically these jets here that will help it clean the walls of your pool, the water line of your pool. So what it does is most robotic pool cleaners will go straight up and clean vertically and scrub your water line. That's awesome. That's great. But this takes it a step further with that Powerstream technology where the jets actually kick in. So when you're actually cleaning the actual water line, the jets will push the actual cleaner to the side, and you'll actually get more coverage that way. That's actually really great. Makes waterline cleaning a breeze there. The Quantum here also has smart navigation built into it. Awesome. And it has a physical programmable timer where you can program it to turn on every single day for a week, every 2 days during the week, or every 3 days during the week. That's actually really great. It's a physical timer, which is awesome. A lot of these cleaners nowadays with Wi-Fi will actually require you to go on the app to turn it on. This comes with a physical timer here, so that's great. Now, I've actually talked about all the good things about this Quantum here. So what are the things I don't like about this Quantum? In all honesty, there isn't much to say that's bad about this Quantum here. It pretty much has everything that I need to clean my pool. The only downside to this is the fact that it does not have Wi-Fi and it does not connect to an online app. Nowadays, people want the newest, coolest technology, and the Quantum here does not have that. You can't actually pull up your phone, use an app, and control it. You won't get notifications, you can't schedule anything on your actual phone, and you won't be able to control your actual robot through an app. But do you really actually need that? No, it's just a cool feature to have, and the Quantum here does not have that. But if you don't need that in general, it's still an amazing pool cleaner. So now that we talked about the Dolphin Quantum here, let's go ahead and put this guy in the pool and I'll show you how well it works. Okay guys, we're ready to put the Dolphin Quantum in the pool here. So I'm going to set it inside, and you don't want to just toss it in the pool. Just put it in lightly. Just let it sink to the bottom just like that there. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the on button and show you how well this works. Okay guys, so the Quantum is on now. You can see it moving along the pool here. It's cleaning the floors of my pool here. Take a look at the Quantum right here. I have some steps down there. That's about 4 feet tall. So let's see how the Quantum does on my steps here. It'll go all the way up to the top of my step right there. Actually go up my step, which is actually really nice, all the way to the water line. I'm 5 feet tall right here, and the Quantum actually goes up. Now, when the Quantum actually climbs the water line, remember, it has that Powerstream, so the jet is actually coming this direction. You can see it moving this direction, just like that. You see the jet down here, and it's moving that direction. It's actually really nice. You get more coverage along the water line this way. This is one of the main features of the Dolphin Quantum here, is its Powerstream waterline cleaning ability. That's actually really awesome there. It's still cleaning the water line right now, which is really awesome. Let's look at that. It started here and it went a good probably 2.5, 3 feet over to the side there, which is really nice. It cleans that much space when it reaches the water line. And there it goes, going back down. And there it goes on the floor, just cleaning the floor there. That's awesome there. Okay guys, so this is the Dolphin Quantum here. I have a main drain that it's under right now. And when it gets to the main drains, I have 2 of these. It'll actually get a little stuck on the main drain, which isn't a big deal as long as it gets itself out. You can see it kind of pull back and forward, and you can see all its wheels and the brushes move. But I know that in time, it'll actually get itself free. So let's just keep watching this here, and I'll show you how it gets out. Alright guys, so take a look at it. I'm pretty sure that it's getting ready to get off the main drain there. You can see it moving now. You can see it has moved a little bit from the main drain here. It did take a little time for it to get into this position right here. But look at that. It got out of the main drain. Just like that. It took a little bit of time, but I was confident that the Quantum was going to get out, and it did get out there. So that's actually really great. As long as it gets out of the main drain, it's still a really great cleaner to me. Alright guys, so take a look at the Quantum right here. It will climb all the way up the water line here. So let's take a look here. Here it comes right here. and I have 5-foot tall walls. And just take a look at there. Now, take a look right here. It hit the water line right here, and you can actually see, you see this jet right here coming from the side? That is the Powerstream technology. It is actually going to propel the Quantum over here to this direction here. Just take a look at where my hand is right here, and you can see the Quantum moving towards the right here. I'm not moving my hand here, and with that Powerstream going this direction right here, it's pushing the Quantum along the water line, which is really awesome. You get more coverage this way along the water line. It'll spend more time cleaning the dirtiest part of your pool, which is the water line here. So look at that. It actually moved from all the way over here, all the way to this part right here, and it's going back down there.
So as you can see, the Dolphin Quantum is in the pool here. This is a quick time lapse of it moving around, and this is just an amazing pool cleaner here. It will definitely clean the floors of your pool. It'll climb walls in your pool. It'll climb steps in your pool. And of course, it will climb all the way up to the water line and scrub it. But not only that, it will actually scrub the water line really well. It has that Powerstream technology, which is basically jets that will move it when it's at the water line and move the scrubbing basically all across the water line there. It stays up at the water line and scrubs just like that, and it moves really well. You definitely get more coverage in terms of waterline cleaning with this machine here. Now take note here, there is a little issue here with the main drain. It'll actually go over the main drain and struggle a little, but the fact is it will get out of the main drain. You just have to give it some time here. It may look like it's stuck, but it will get out of it, and that's the most important part. Overall, really great machine, especially at the waterline cleaning here.
So you can see that the Dolphin Quantum here is definitely a really great robotic pool cleaner. There's a reason why this is the new flagship cleaner here. If you're looking for a robotic pool cleaner that cleans the floors of your pool, that cleans the walls of your pool, that'll actually climb the steps of your pool, and definitely clean the water line of your pool with that Powerstream technology. If you're looking for a user-friendly robotic pool cleaner, one that has a really nice handle that you can hold easily in and out of the pool, it has that big giant max bin debris canister that's easy to access from the top and not the bottom, then this Dolphin Quantum robotic pool cleaner is definitely a way to go. Definitely a pool cleaner I recommend.
We hope this review helps.